Hello and welcome to TechSnips. You are watching Building a Small Office Network Part 1, where we focus on the network design. In this video, we're going to put together a small company network using a Cisco 3825 router with the advanced iOS feature set and a stack of 3750G switches. Let's take a look at our network diagram. In this video, we are actually going to talk about how to design this particular network. Here we have a Cisco 3825 edge router running the advanced enterprise image, which allows us to use the iOS firewall and IPS features, which is the intrusion protection. Now we're pulling in a fractional DS3 connection from our ISP, and it's basically a fractional 20 megabit connection. Our ISP instructed us to use the 155.1.0.2/30 IP as the management IP for this DS3 connection. And we were also assigned a /27 block of publicly accessible IPs that we can use for our network devices, such as you see here Web01 and Web02, which are our web servers on the DMZ. The Cisco 3825 has 2 GigE ports, one of which will be facing our internal network and the other being used as our public DMZ, which we'll later configure private VLANs for additional security in our later videos. We will be sharing the Cisco 3750G switch stack for both the outside and the inside VLANs. Our inside network will be using the 172.18.00/16 private address space, which we will also be, it's also going to be NATed on the Cisco 3825 router using the iOS firewall features. In addition to the firewall, we will enable the iOS IPS features, the intrusion protection features, for added security. Now, the switch stack here, it's basically a logical multi-layer switch, meaning that it will have layer 3 capabilities performing routing between the VLANs, the internal VLANs here. So in the next few videos, we're actually going to build on top of this network design and add additional configurations. So let's just take a look at how we are going to secure this Cisco 3825 router. And let me bring up another window here, and let's look at the logical view of this network.